So I already had everything all cut out, marked, and so I'm just doing the back seam for the placement of the zipper. Let's see, it's gonna stop right about here. And you see, there's more than one way to do this. You mark it where your zipper is gonna stop. And then we're going to lay the zipper down and put it in. But first, this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna bend this back this way and kind of finger press it on each side. And then we're going to open this up. Hope you can see that. That's okay. And we're going to place the zipper right side down. And first I'm going to attach it on this side, and then we'll come back and do the top stitch. I'm gonna put my zipper in a little bit differently than other people do. So this is to just keep it tacked to the edge. And this is my way. It doesn't have to be your way, but I find this kind of works out. When we get close to the pull, raise the zipper, pull that up. Then put it back down and continue to the end. Automatic cuts the thread for you. And then I'm going to line this side up, making sure I get the ends even, because that's going to make a difference when you turn it back to top stitch it. So make sure you got the ends even. Oh, you got it even all the way down, so you don't have any hiccups when you get to the end, because it will slide on you if you're not careful. Yep. Oh, you guys can hear me okay. And okay, so here we go. I'll put that down. Stitch. Make sure it is catching underneath. Again, when we get to the pull, you want to reach in there and pull it down so you don't have any little bumps along the way. And keep going. Yep. So do you sew your zipper in like this, or do you have another method you use? We don't really need a back stitch there because we're going to stitch it down on the right side. So we're going to zip this up. And then I'm going to pin. You know, I'm going to refold it on that line, that finger press that I gave it. Refold it. And it should bring all the edges together over to make it cover the zipper. And let's see, we're going to make sure we come beyond this, which is that little metal piece at the bottom, the stop at the bottom. So, pull this over, pin it some more. And you could well use a basting stitch on this too, to keep it in place. this over. Right on the fold. And pin it in place. All right, now pin it in place. I just love these colors together. Okay, I love just how the pattern matches. It matches right down. That's really good. That means I got it a good cut. And what I'm going to do now though is this time I'm going to remove this foot, and I am going to get my zipper foot and attach that for ease of putting the zipper in. Let's see what on this side. So to center the needle. Put this, my trusty box over here. And then we're gonna sew. We're going to start sewing this. I'm gonna open it just a little bit so we can get past that little nodule right there. And you can go slow, or you feel confidence with your stitches, you can go a little bit faster. I like to go slow so I can control it. Let's pull the zipper up since we're past that. Yep. How do you like me having children's clothes for Fashion Friday? Tell me how you like it when we get to the end. Please leave a comment after the live or after the premiere so that I will know how you liked it. If you want to see more children's clothes, I will have more adults clothes, but do you want to see more children's clothes? Just let me know in the comments. Okay, our zipper is in. It's perfect, no puckers. It's hidden. We're good. Now we're going to join the front and back shoulders. I already did the darts around the neckline. So, you know, some of this you have to do off camera because it's just that much simpler and it saves a little bit on the time. Like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm looking for more subscribers. And I do have memberships at 2 levels. Check out the perks in the link below. I just want to clip our threads. change this foot since we're finished with the zipper. Oopsie. Well, that didn't go so well, did it? Okay, that's all right. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes the thread breaks. Depends on what position the needle is in when you're pulling it through. Yes, that does make a difference. Okay, we don't need that much of a tail. Put that in the garbage. Continue with this. Now we're going to set the sleeves and then we'll get the pockets. So I have the pockets all set, pinned on, and I'm going to stitch them down now. A little back stitch with a little extra in the end there, so when they put their hands in, they're not pulling it off the front of the garment. Pick it up, pivot, so along the bottom. Yes, it's coming together very nicely. Take the pins out as I go. Yeah. Always reinforce the top of the pocket because that's where the most stress will be when they put their hands in and they're searching for whatever it is they put in the pocket that you didn't see. Yeah. They'll be digging down in there trying to get it out or trying to hide it from you, whatever it might be. So, anyway. Well, we give them that chance, you know, little adventure in life. Let's see. And as you see, the crutch is still open because we're going to put snaps on there when I'm done. As soon as I get the pockets on and the sleeves in, trying to get this settled. You see, to start with the needle down. Prevent those birds' nests at the back. Make sure I'm not catching anything in there. Okay, needle up, pivot. That's a zipper dragging on there. Okay, and try to get these as even as I could. Probably took them off about 4 or 5 times. Okay, last pivot. Needle down. Okay, we're good. All clear under there. Make sure this is going to lay flat. No. Reinforcement. looking pretty cute over here. We got a pocket. We got the pocket cut on the bias. Get a little pocket there. You put your hand in there on both sides. Yeah, they're gonna be happy, and I'll clean that up a little bit. Yep, and put the sleeves in. Okay, I'm all done. We got the neck completed. We got the tag on the inside. Sleeves are all in. We have the snap crutch. Their zippers looking excellent. And just to remind you, this has been a Toucher's design. Thank you for coming to my Fashion Friday. And the link to purchase this item will be in the description below. Like, subscribe, and share, and consider becoming a member. Turn the bell on so you won't miss the notification for the next one. Thank you.